Welcome to this Relate tutorial. Now that we've seen how to create a project, how to create concepts, and how to make connections, let's look at other useful features to become better and to work more efficiently in the platform. We'll see how to add annotations, how to edit text, how to add and delete drawings, and how to undo and redo actions. In the left-hand toolbar, we've seen that the first button is for either create a project when you're at the first level, or to create a concept when you're inside a project. Let's take a look at the other buttons in this toolbar. Just below the concept button is the annotation button. Simply press and hold the left mouse button, then drag it into space before releasing to create an annotation. We use annotations, for example, to leave a note or comment on a concept, or simply to write information in a visually different way for better structuring. In this case, I want to add some details about this image, so I'm gonna go back in my source, copy this text, and paste it here. Now I can resize the text and link it. Now that we have some text as an annotation, we can edit it. By highlighting the text, we can see the editing options appear right at the top here. We can make the text bold, italic, underlined. We can make it strike through, subscript, superscript, and even code. We can also create bullet points. Simply position ourselves at the beginning of a paragraph, then press the hyphen, followed by the spacebar to start a list. Although it is a very basic feature, it's very useful to have and is key to visually structure the information. These same options are available for the text in concepts and projects. The third button on the toolbar is the drawing button. When clicked, a menu appears. There's a hand button to manipulate elements and drawings, an eraser to erase, and then there are 4 different types of drawings you can create: freeform drawings, straight lines, square, and circle. By default, when you open the drawing menu, you're in the freeform drawing mode. But at the very bottom, you'll find the different line styles. By default, you'll find 3 different styles, but each style can be edited by its thickness, its opacity, and color. For example, let's take freeform drawing with the first line style. Just hold down the left mouse button and draw. You can use the straight line and another less opaque style as a highlighter over important stuff. To erase, select the eraser button, hold down the left mouse button, and then drag over the line you want to erase. Another way to erase lines is to use the hand tool. Select the line you want to delete and press the backspace key. To close the drawing menu, simply press the X in the top right corner of the menu or click on the button in the toolbar. The last 2 buttons on the left toolbar are the undo and redo buttons, which allow you to go back in time to retrieve the last actions performed. You can go back up to 1 hour before the last action. For example, if you're working with a team on a project and want to see the latest changes, you can highlight the changes. To do this, click on your avatar in the top left corner of the space to open the left menu. Go down to Highlight Changes, then select the point in time from which you want to view the changes. We can also say until when, so let's say now. If we close this menu, either with the X in the top right corner or by clicking in the space, we can see what has been changed. This is useful for teams working asynchronously or for evaluating projects with a specific deadline. As always, you can find these features in the Help Center by clicking in the question mark at the bottom of the left menu. I hope this capsule helped you get better with Relate, and we'll see each other in the next tutorial. Thank you!